Hi, your child loves sketching all the time. This is their natural talent. Yes, the child who have sketching as a natural talent, they have lot of advantage nowadays. Yes, the time they will improve on, especially the sketching skills from the beginner level into advanced level, they also will improve their focus, patience, and creativity. This is applicable to all the art skills, but this have some special. I'll tell you why. Okay, by improving this focus, patience, and creativity, their individuality will display more, will project more and more. So this will rise up. Okay, once the individuality will rise up, they stand in any crowd with more self-confidence. End of the day, however we are good at technicals, however we are good at all the characters and all the things, self-confidence is the root where we can able to stand in particular place and win those areas. Correct? So this self-confidence will get trained through their art areas. Next point, why this sketching skill is more advantageous compared to any other art forms or there is any other hobbies, especially if the child have sketching as a natural talent. Once the child improve on these sketching skills from beginner level to advanced level, they will gain the skill of sketching. Correct? Sketching will become their one of the unique skill. Okay, after learning, once they have the sketching skill, they can able to draw properly on their school subject, all the science, physics or extracurricular activities, whatever is there, all the diagrams and everything, they will draw much proper than any other normal students. Not only that, if this child goes in higher education, like example maybe engineering or medical or design or fashion or architect, okay, you name it, whatever career where they'll create stuff, all the areas, even study, even the job, also the sketching skill will play huge role, because this all the areas you need to bring your ideas and concepts into real. For that, the first communication skill is your sketching. So whoever is already successful on this all the education areas, even the work areas, all the people have the sketching as their unique and advantage skill. If your child have these skills, it is really treasure. If you understood this value of nurturing these particular skills, not only help present, entire the futures. Even if your child is not making career on medical or engineering, whatever it is, okay, still if the child is improved on this particular sketching skill, they can able to create side incomes in the future. Future means not immediately, after 1 year, 2 years, and all the areas. So this particular sketching skills have a lot of potential. If your child having this as a natural skills, how to find it? If your child always sketching anime characters, manga characters, all type of cartoon characters and all the things, don't look at this as like they're just drawing the characters. Correct? Look at this is the natural talent, is the sketching. They're using that to create this all the characters. All the child doesn't draw this all the characters. Okay, some people will more interested on doing the landscape paintings, some people more interested on different type of art forms. In that, if your child is always sketching on this characters areas, this is not unique, this is the specialized area skills. So this particular child need to learn character sketching methods, character sketching principles, character sketching techniques, and character sketching process. Okay, normal art classes or a normal thing doesn't make them more interesting. Okay, so if your child always sketching on this particular areas, as I mentioned it, more into manga style characters, anime style, Disney style, whatever it is. Okay, I'm offering 1 hour free character sketching mastery course, free demo class. In my demo class, I will help all the children's age 9 and above, all the people, how to learn this character sketching method, how to learn these techniques, process and principles to improve the sketching skills and same time their patience, focus to build the creativity to stand out confidently in any crowd. That is the very important. Okay, and same time I also will teach them how to use these skills for their school education, college educations, and same time for the personal side income in the futures. Okay, if you really interested, if it's making sense, if your child, otherwise you, otherwise some of the surrounding or relative people, anybody having these sketching skills, join my 1 hour free demo class with your sketchbook and pencil. Okay, I will explain very detailedly step by step this all the areas. What is the good age to learn these particular things? Very important point is, if your child is aged between 1 to 9, help them to draw more and more, provide them a lot of tools like sketchbook, pencil and all the things. Don't put them into any training, I'm saying this. Okay, age between 1 to 9, help them to be more free, let them draw whatever they like. Okay, provide them, appreciate their works. If it's possible, take photo of their works and tell, maybe take print out, otherwise stick it on your wall, otherwise in the, usually we'll stick it in the fridge areas. Okay, like this, keep motivate them to draw. Don't put them into immediately in any course or any classes. I'll tell you why. Because this is the time their creativity energy will try to explore different medium, different area. Suddenly if you put them into some particular track, you learn this, you do this all things, the creativity never get more channelized. Not only that works. Yes, some of you putting on the music classes, dance class, all the things, it's working because they're very clear, they're thinking like this is what works. My recommendation, what I'm doing it for my kids and what I'm doing it for my students and all the things is, which is working more powerfully is, age 1 to 9, help them, give them a lot of tools and materials to explore more and more, keep appreciate them, so that they'll get a lot of experience on trying different things, and same time they have a lot of experience on trying, getting result, not getting result, because this all experience is really is required. They will become a more powerful when they'll get right teacher and mentor. That's the reason I'm always take demo class for all the peoples, but I will take students age 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 100. Okay, only age 9 and above people only can join my full-time course. Full-time course means the full course, the character sketching mastery course, but the demo class is free. Got it? Why I'm giving this? Because of these reasons. When you age 9, 10, 11, 12 all the things, age 9 to 15, it's a good age to improve on your sketching skills from beginner level into become the advanced level. Okay, and same time you can utilize the skills for your school education areas, career, and same time you also can turn this one into become your side incomes in the future. Sir, it's a child, why we are talking about the side income? No, we need to teach our child that income sources, how to get ready. How to get ready means what? How to turn our skills or talent into some income. So we need to train them like saving, we need to train them skill development, how to use these skills into become earning things. So they shouldn't be in the future, they shouldn't be dependent on just one job. Okay, this may sound different, but this works. Okay, if your child is always sketching, as I said, click the link below and join the free demo class. Don't miss on this, because I'll be taking the demo classes for weekly 1 or 2 times. Okay, join this WhatsApp group. I'll be posting on this all the demo class link on those groups, the WhatsApp group only. Okay, if you have not followed my Instagram or YouTube, wherever you are watching these videos, I highly recommend follow this particular channel. So I'll be keep posting more solutions oriented videos, more focused on sketching skill, where they used, how they used, and all the things. Okay, because I have been teaching for these sketching skills for fashion designers, interior designers, civil engineers, architect, mechanical engineers, medical students, okay, graphic students, okay, product designers. Okay, there's a lot of IT employees, they want to learn the sketching, so I'm teaching for them is the freehand sketching and all the things. Sketching, it's kind of one language where you will communicate your ideas and concepts into paper to explain those things to your team, otherwise your colleagues or friends and all the things. That's how the brainstorming starts, that's how the creation will start and all the things, okay? Click the link, join the demo class, I'll see you online. Please don't forget, come with your sketchbook and pencil when you're joining.